Okay, welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at how primes and their multiples are distributed in a 10 by 10 grid. Okay, this is named after Eratosthenes, who's a Greek mathematician. So, in terms of primes, we begin with 2. Just confirm that 1 is neither prime nor composite. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at 2 and its multiples. Now, how are these distributed? How are the multiples of 2 distributed across a 10 by 10 grid? Okay, and the answer is they completely fill up the 0s, 4, 6, and 8 columns. And the only 2 in the column that ends in 2 is 2 itself, the only prime number, I should say. Okay, now we'll jump up as far as multiples of 5. We see a similar pattern. We see we see natural numbers with a unit or final numeral of 5 are all composite numbers. And again, all of the natural numbers with a right hand side numeral or a unit numeral of 0 are all multiples of 5. So we look to 3 next. 3 is prime, and we take out all the 3's. Now these are distributed totally randomly, or at least they're distributed across every column. And the divisibility rule we note here is that when you add the digits, you get a multiple of 3, and that's a way of identifying multiples of 3. Now it's not as easy as identifying a multiple of 2, but it's not that difficult either. So 51, you might have thought it's prime, but 5 and 1 is 6, which tells you 3 goes in. So 3, 7, and then you know 3 17s, 51. Now there's still 2 numbers here that are not prime, but they're still at large. One of them is 91, and the other one is 49. These are both multiples of 7. Okay, so you want to look out for them, make sure you know them. Let's mark them in green. And that's it. So what's going to happen next is we're going to see the distribution of the primes. And I want you to be able to do these up. We're going to practice them in class, where we just concentrate on numbers ending in 1, 3, 7, and 9. So in the teens, these are all available. Here, we would be thinking 21, 23, 27, and 29 are candidates. But then we cross out 21 and 29, 21 and 27 because they're multiples of 3. And in the 30s, we'd cross out 33 and 39. In the 40s, we'd cross out 49. And we're crossing out something everywhere we go. And that's going to continue until you get up into the next decade after this. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.